Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757, Part 2, Honda Civic. Brake lights stay on. This is the part number you need right here. This is going to be a pedal stop grommet. It looks like this or it's black, but this is the universal one. It depends on which one fits the hole. And I'm going to show you, it's kind of hard, but I'm going to show you where this grommet goes. There, let me back up a little bit, it's really hard. Right here, where my finger is at, is the grommet. Let me back up some more. That is the grommet right there. My finger is pointing to it. The brake switch is the big switch. I'm trying to get light up here, it's kind of awkward. But you can see the brake switch right there. And you can see me pushing in and out of the brake pedal, and you see that white plunger. On that white plunger there is a black grommet that is sitting right here. That's what stops it. Otherwise there's going to be a hole in the brake pedal itself, and this plunger is going to go right through it because there's nothing there. So basically, it's very hard to show you because it's up in there. So basically, let's pretend like this is the brake switch. At the end of the brake switch, there's going to be a plunger that comes in and out when you're hitting the brakes. And it needs something solid on the other side to stop it. Otherwise, it's going to go right through the hole and your lights are going to stay on. So now, I'm going to have the customer, since I put this little $10 piece in, and let's see if the lights work. If you would be so kind to hit the brakes for me, madam. Off, on, thank you. Her battery was dead. We changed the battery. I walked away and I looked back and I saw her brake lights on. The brake switch was just fine. All you have to do is unplug the brake switch itself, and if the lights go off, then keep going a little further. Look behind the brake switch and see if you see that plunger that should be sitting in the brake pedal. It sits right in the brake pedal, moves back and forth with the brake pedal, and then the plunger of the switch itself keeps going in and out on this. But something has to stop it. So just think of it as a stoplight. With that being said, if that is missing, your lights are going to stay on for the rest of your life. You don't want to do that. If that plunger is there, unplug the switch and take your finger on the plunger that's going to look just like this, and it's going to go in and out on the brake switch. And if it goes off, then you need a brake switch. So I'm going to go back under here, and I'm going to come look up, try to see if I can get it. And you can see the brake. Uh-oh, my light's about to die. And you can see I'm pushing the brake in and out. You see the white plunger in and out. And in the front of the black on the plunger is a black rubber grommet. That's how it all works. Without that grommet, it will fall apart on you. And it will fall out somewhere and your brake lights will stay on. So that's the easy way of diagnostic. If there's no grommet, you know the problem. If there's a grommet, go to your brake switch, unplug it. If the light brakes go out, then you know you're isolating the issue. Plug it back in and push that plunger in with your finger in and out and see if the brakes go out. If they do not respond, change your brake switch. There's plenty of YouTube videos of how to do this. Please bear in mind, it's very hard to film up in there, but if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.